Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Dierya DK63. So Dierya actually reached out to me and wanted to do a collaboration for this keyboard. This is a nice budget build. I chose the white variant in brown switches. Obviously this is Bluetooth and I was looking for a Bluetooth keyboard, so this came in perfect timing. And it is by Dierya. I decided to get brown switches again. I was going to get red switches to try out, but I didn't want a black keyboard again. So let's go ahead and just get straight into it. Since white is more sleek and just looks nicer. We'll see if this gets dirty though. Ooh. So straight off the bat, that's what you open it up to. We're not at a review table because our tripod broke, so we're gonna have to order a new one. But for now, we're at this angle just for this video. This is what it looks like. So it's in a protective foam. That's what it looks like so far. I'm really liking it. Put it to the side for the second, and a manual. So you have functions here. It shows you all the different functions and how to like use the RGB and stuff like that. Underneath here, you have the accessories. Now, this actually really intrigued me because they have a really cool reversible USB. So you can plug it in any way, and then obviously USB Type-C, which is cool. It's angled at 90 degrees. This is a braided cable, and it does have a cable strap, which is cool. You have a keycap puller as well. It's in white, and that's pretty much it. No switch puller this time, or no two replaceable switches. So that's interesting. So this is the keyboard itself. All right, so this is a close-up of the keyboard. Looks really nice, and the build quality on it feels pretty much similar to the Dierya DK61E, which is a wired keyboard. This one just feels pretty much the same. I don't have the Dierya DK61E with me right now, but I could tell they are very similar. Let's do a sound test real quick. They feel all right. They don't feel lubed. They don't feel that lubed. So I might have to lube them again, which if you see in my previous video, that takes a while. We're gonna see what these switches look like. So that's what they look like right here. They don't feel cheap, but they don't feel too premium, you know? But I mean, it's a Bluetooth keyboard. You're getting major big specs, unlike other keyboards are unable to do. Like this is a $100 keyboard right here, and it doesn't even have Bluetooth. It's just wired, which kind of sucks. I was hoping it would be Bluetooth. But the fact that this has Bluetooth and you're able to have nice switches on them, that's insane. So let's just go ahead and straight up turn it on. On the back, you do have an on and off switch directly in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. And then when you turn it on, which I will turn on in 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow, that was an amazing. The RGB on this already, I can tell looks really nice. So if it has the same function settings as the Dierya DK61E, then this will be really easy to memorize. So it should be FN. Okay, no, they don't have the same. Wow, this looks nice. So you have solid colors. I don't know why this Z is flashing. I think that's the Bluetooth indicator to be able to pair it. So if you press FN and R at the same time, you can switch between USB and Bluetooth, and that's what the indicator is for. So yeah, look at this. You got like a bluish purple kind of, an orange. This RGB actually looks so beautiful. It's so nice. Got a teal, a white. The white looks, it's not white, but it looks really nice. Then you have like a random color. And you can do more modes, I'll show you in a bit. So these are the 3 profiles. So you have 1, 2, and 3. So if you press FN and hold it, you can switch between 3 different devices. So 1 could be your PC, 1 could be your PS4, 3 could be your Mac or something, iPad. And then to be able to switch the light modes, it's FN // not the backslash. And then you can change the mode. So this one, it's just a rainbow chasing effect. And you can change the speed by pressing FN and the arrow keys. So you go right to go faster and the left side to go slower. So that's really cool. To adjust the brightness, it's the up and down for the arrow key as well. So you can turn down the brightness. This is the off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I believe there's 4 or 5 settings. Let's check out the more modes. So you got this one, which is basically for your different colors. Got this one, breathing effect, and you can increase the speed on that as well. Got a little wave, and you can decrease the slowness of it. This one you have kind of like a splash effect. It'll change different colors, kind of rainbow-ish. And then this one you have like a droplet. I like this one. And then right here, another similar type. It's kind of just changing colors slowly, and I could increase the speediness of it to show you. It's just like a snake pattern, if you will. And then this one is a wave, and you can change the color of them. Just press enter. That's for all of them as well. You can change the speediness of all of them as well. And this one should be an explosive one. Yeah, there we go. So that one's pretty cool. I like this one. They have it on their Dierya DK63 as well, but it's not as many of those swirls in the middle. That one's nice. Changing the colors here. I really do like this already. You have tons of modes. This one's a ghosting effect. So whatever keys you previously pressed, it'll like kind of like heat up, turn off, sorry. And then this should be solid. Yep, solid, back to solid. This is the first one. So I think there was about 10 modes in there, which is amazing. We're gonna go ahead and pair it with a laptop real quick. And so we're gonna pair it with our laptop right now. So just go to your Bluetooth settings in whatever device you're gonna be setting it up to. Add a Bluetooth device, go to Bluetooth. And then as you can see, we're searching for it right now. So press FN and Z at the same time, so the Z will start flashing. And then once you do that, it'll start popping up. You just gotta look for, I believe the device name should be, yeah, there it is, Dierya DK63 right there. Then you go and connect it, and we are connected, just like that. That's really quick. If you did want to, you can also just plug and play for wired as well. So it does work, as you can see. It works very responsively. So yeah, you can see that this does work really, really well. Now you can't do this on console wirelessly unless you have a PS4, so you can't do it on Xbox. Not that I know of, unless you get a Bluetooth adapter of some sort. But I mean, it does work really well. I do like the switches. They're not too loud, because the Dierya DK61E had super loud brown switches. I did not like that. This one is more subtle. If you press and hold FN, you can switch between your different modes. And right now I'm on 1, so it eliminates 1. What I like about this USB on here is you can just plug it in. Doesn't matter which way you do it. Easily plugs in on either way. And then it's a 90-degree angle, so it'll look good on your setup and it won't bend. It won't like break from bending. And you can just plug it in, and it's setting up the device on my laptop there. So let me turn off Bluetooth. I just turned off Bluetooth right now. It doesn't work. Press FN and R. Then we work. That's it. Really simple. So now Bluetooth is on and it's not illuminating. The things that are illuminated when you press FN is the things that are active right now. So the battery obviously is active, so meaning it's in Bluetooth mode. If you press and hold the R, it'll illuminate the R, meaning it's on USB mode. It does have the battery on, meaning I have to flip the switch off. And then if we press FN, it won't illuminate the battery anymore. We're experimenting on this thing, and yeah, so I'll be right back.